Hi, I'm Leo with Primeline Products, and I'm here to introduce two product lines that we have available for you. The first of them being our screen frame kits that come in a variety of colors and lengths. Each kit has their pre-cut vinyl spline and 4 square-cut screen corners ready to assemble. It's a simple 3-step process. It's just measure, cut, and assemble, and with a simple hacksaw and miter box, you can make a variety of different sizes of screen frame. The next product line I want to introduce you to is our rescreening kit that can be used to repair your damaged screens on your windows and doors. Each kit includes a plastic screen roller, vinyl spline, and enough screen fabric to repair one door or a couple of windows. These screen kits are available in multiple screen cloth sizes, spline diameters, and each kit includes a screen rolling tool that comes equipped with both a convex and a concave rolling wheel. For more information about these products, please see the link in the description below.